Today we are comparing fractions. Here we have 2/4 and 4/8. How can we compare them? We're going to use fraction tiles or fraction strips to prove it. Using these fraction tiles here, how can I prove the comparison of 2/4 and 4/8? Pause the video, get out your fraction tiles or strips, and prove it. Okay, let's see how you did. If I have one hole here and I say 2/4, I can even flip this over to show that 2 of the 4/4 are colored. And we're saying 4/8. If I flip these over, I can see that 2/4 is the same as 4/8. They are equivalent. I can use the equal symbol. Well, Simone and Arun also worked on this problem. They wanted to draw a model to prove that these were equivalent. Both of their models are inaccurate. They are not correct. Why? What have Arun and Simone done that is not accurate? Pause the video and see if you can critique their work. What would they need to change to make it correct? Okay, let's see what you noticed. When I look at Arun's models, I can see that this one is much larger. So this 2/4 is actually bigger than that 4/8. So the size matters. Arun could have corrected it by making both of his models the same size, not different sizes. I also noticed in Arun's model, I can't see that this looks the same as that. So Arun could have chosen just to do one way so that they match up. If I do that the same, I want to color in the same amount to make it look equivalent or equal. So he could have done the 2/4 this way, but then he needs to not color in all of these. He needs to make it match so it really shows that those are equal. So I would shade the same amount. What's another way Arun could have drawn his model that would be accurate? Let's look at Simone. Simone has two shapes that are the same size and same shape. Those look great. But I can see that this does not look the same as this unless I turn this. So I think if Simone had turned this one to show that it was the same, it would have been a lot easier. So in thinking about this, we want to make sure that we have the same size and same shape in our models to really show that it's the same. Simone could have done it this way, or Simone could have done it another way. Go ahead and finish this lesson by making your own model to show that 4/8 and 2/4 are equivalent. Remember to think that they need to be the same size and the same shape and the same position to prove it.